Hello everyone, this is Tasha, better known as Dolls Will Be Dolls on YouTube. So here you see I still have the same doll set. So I did fix the door, and what I did with the door, I didn't use any brackets or anything. The toothpicks are a good idea. I did try it before, but it kind of just broke off, so it's a little tricky. I don't have the little hinges that they tell us to put at the door so that you can put it on so it can open and close like a real door. So what I basically did, I'll move this closer, is I just put some white duct tape. I just put white duct tape going all the way down to the bottom, as you can see, white duct tape. So you're gonna tape it where you see that it's lapping over the door a little bit, and then on the border of the door, so going all the way down, and then you just kind of just press it down and make it stay. And the door, it opens and it closes. And so basically that was what I wanted. And as you can see, the doll, she's perfect to go in and out of this door with no problem. Sorry, the set is moving. So long as she'll fit, because she's a 12-inch doll. And the set is standing at 15 inches tall, which is messing up a little bit. Let me try to fix it here. It stands at 15 inches tall and 18 inches wide. That is how this set was made. But I will continue with it, and I'll show you the next part of the room. Gotta make some furniture because the furniture that I have is a little too big. A lot of stuff doesn't want to fit, or some of the furniture just don't go with the colors. So I'm gonna figure something out. Okay guys, so as you can see, next to the little dining area when you first come into the doll room or into the doll house through the front door, next to that little area is the kitchen. So I haven't figured out how I'm going to do it, because like I said, they stand at 15 inches tall and 18 inches wide. Normally my sets are bigger. I haven't begun anything yet, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So guys, I have this doll modern kitchen set that I bought. It's called my modern kitchen play set, and I wasn't crazy about the color because pink is too much pink. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it because you need a spray paint to cover it. I didn't open it yet. As you can see, it's in the package. I bought it from a discount store around my way for like excuse me, for like $17.99. I thought this was cool. I already have a play set similar to this, but I don't have the refrigerator. So I love the refrigerator. It came with this doll. I don't like the doll. It's like a really cheesy doll, but I would keep her face and place her onto another body and keep her little sundress, but that's it. The doll body has to go. I can't do anything with that. But yeah, but this kitchen place, I don't know if it'll look nice in this kitchen. So what I'm gonna do is take it out of the box and place it. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I didn't take it out of the box yet, but also it shows you these great features on the back of the box, and it does says mini kitchen set, completely new to come into the market. It has something that's called light and sound battery operated. And the play set that I have is this one. This is the one that I have now. I wouldn't mind getting this one next also, but you don't want to end up with too many different play sets that looks the same. But if you do, the good thing is you can spray paint them. I don't know about painting them with acrylic paint. You probably can. I don't know how it works, but I know spray painting, it looks great, because I dolled it, spray paint her doll play set, her kitchen play set, and it came out beautiful. But she did use a nice spray paint. So I'm going to get on with the video. So guys, I'm back. So this is what it's looking like. cool. It's cool. Not the color that I wanted, but you know, when you look at the walls, you know, there are cherries on the wall, right? Or little strawberries or whatever, or raspberries, I'm not sure. And when I look at this, it could work. Now, I'm not sure how I would fix this up in here, if this is a kitchen area, you know. So most likely, I probably would put the stove over here, like that. It would have to go over here. I'm sorry, I'm doing it like this. Let me see. See, maybe I could put the stove there, right? And sorry about that. Other stand not working, so I have to work with what I have. And these cabinets here, they definitely do open. I'm so sorry. They open up. See? They do open. And another thing, sometimes these little play sets, they be hard to open. It's like you have to play with it, but you don't want to break it, but it does open. I can pull it open. I can't believe it doesn't want to open for me. Is that the furthest it opens? Let me see here. Let me put this stand down. That's the furthest it'll open. Oh, there we go. It's like it's stuck. And as you can see the little foods that's inside of there. And then you have this little part right here. I'm not sure how it opens. Oh, this way. Lord, I almost broke it. Opens up like this. And these little things, I'm not gonna lie, they be a little cheesy. So that's the way that opens. And then you have right here, you have your stove and you have your little pot set. It's in plastic. I don't want to take it out. And of course your oven right here. I can pull it open. Oop, and I just broke it. I'm gonna have to glue it back. Now I see why some people be making it. Oh, I guess I can snap it back on. I didn't break it. But it opens. This stuff is like so hard to open and close, so I can see right then and there that this stuff would get broken up very easily. Here's your refrigerator. I like that. As you can see, just your normal stuff you would see in the fridge. I like these little racks and stuff. These are cool. I will not take them out because I probably won't be able to put it back in. Because sometimes you remove stuff and it's hard to take out. Well, sometimes you can put it back. And then you have this bottom piece. I guess it pulls out. So I'm trying to hold this and put. As you can see, this opens. I don't want to, I might break it because sometimes I'm just a little too anxious for stuff. So it's a cute little refrigerator. And I like that right there, that it has the cups with the ice that's supposed to drop. Very nice. But it has a saying up here, so that right there is kind of annoying to me. That shouldn't have been printed on there unless, I don't know, it doesn't come off. Nope, it's not coming off. That would make me want to paint it because I don't want it to be saying Group Inc. China, okay? Don't have anything against China, I just don't want that printed on there. So yeah, so that's what this is looking like. So if I had to do this, I have to figure out where I would put it. The refrigerator in the corner, and this is what this is looking like. I don't know if that looks cool, but I'll figure it out. And you know, need a little table set with some little chairs, and I don't have that. Maybe I'll try to make some. Also, this is the doll that came with this play set. I'd keep her face. I'll keep the doll head, but the body I will not keep. I mean, what were they thinking about when they make doll legs like these? It's pretty funny to me. Just funny shaping. It's a very funny shape. But oops, I'll keep a cute little dress. The dress is cute, so I don't mind. And I like the fact that it's a sturdy, it's not that sturdy, but it's a pretty sturdy box that you can kind of make into a doll bag. Real easy. So I like that. So you know she's probably about a 12-inch doll, right? And I could turn this into a doll bed, which is nice. It just be a single doll bed for one of the dolls. Okay, I'm babbling too much, but I shall return when I come up with some new ideas for this kitchen slash living room. Okay, so that's what I got so far. And once again, I was inspired off of my Froggy with the apartment sets. I think it's a win-win because you can close these things up and put them away. When you are making them and you're kind of gluing the walls together, you cannot close it up. It has to stay open and they get ruined. So it's easier to make them in sets, especially if you are lacking in space. Doll sets are so much easier to store away. I can close this up and put it away. You see my pins on the top? I have to hold it together because remember, they're separate boards. So I have to pin them together to make the walls meet to make a set. Okay, so that'll be it. I will come to you again when I figure out what furniture that I can put in here and how I want to fix this kitchen up. I love the cherry wood floor. I think it looks good in here. I don't know if the pink is working. You tell me what you think, but I'm kind of afraid to paint it or spray paint it because watching I dolled it, she did a beautiful job with her doll kitchen set, and she said you do need to take all this stuff apart to spray paint it so that it can look nice. I think if you just start painting on it and you didn't take it apart, it's a sloppy job and we don't want that. So I may just leave it as it is. I did learn on some other I went to eBay and I saw, or not eBay, it was Etsy. You can buy these doll kitchen play sets and people will customize them for you, but they may be a little pricey. I've seen them for like prices like 50 to 60 to 70, even up to $100 and something. But when they finish it, it is beautiful, though, I will tell you that. So if you're a person who loves really beautiful doll home decor, maybe that may be the way to go, or you can do it for yourself. So if I could learn to do it for myself, that is what I plan to do. So anyway, I'm talking too much, guys. Hopefully I could come back to you with some new content. I'm working on some new stuff. I'm always working. I'm so sorry. You guys are so nice and so patient. And thank you for coming back and for checking in on me. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.